Miss Lena's Kitchen. Be blessed, I'm blessed, and you're blessed, okay? I'm coming to you this morning, and I will be reading my scripture. Call upon me in the day of trouble. I will deliver thee. Psalms 50 and 15. Thou shalt walk in thy way safely. Proverbs 3 and 23. Thank you so much. And now I'm getting ready to do.
And y'all, please press the like button. We'd really appreciate it. If you like the video, press the like button, please. It's free. So please help Miss Lena out and press the like button. Like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff. We really appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that's been watching. The subscribers, the members, and all the new subscribers, our old loyal faithful ones, and everyone. Thank you for watching Miss Lena's channel.
Okay, so I'm getting ready to do another old-fashioned bread pudding. So I've done set 1 or 2 before. So this is another version of another one that I'm going to be doing today. And all these things I was using, like the French bread rolls.
Good show.
And I used 3 of those already. Okay, this is what I used, and I had 3 of them already broke up in little tiny pieces. All right, there's one that's left.
Not tiny pieces, but she broke them up in nice sized pieces.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna get ready to make the sauce that I'll be covering it with. So, and I will be in this one. I will be putting in like 4 cups of whole milk. I have about half a stick of butter. I have 4 eggs, and I have a cup and a half of sugar, and I have a cup of raisins, and also about a cup of pecans, and on 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, and I have 1.5 teaspoon of extract, vanilla. Okay. So now I'm getting ready to get started.
And y'all, make sure the 4 eggs, you have to beat it very, very well. The eggs have to be beat very well.
Okay. And I'm going to be pouring in.
That's just a piece of bread that she had left when she put the bread in.
I had some little pieces left, so I just left them in. It's my butter, melted. Where's my, yeah, okay. Okay. 4 cups of milk, whole milk. Cup and a half of sugar.
Yeah, you can always use less sugar.
If you're not using, if you're diabetic or something, you use your diabetic sugar, whatever.
Even if you don't like sugar that much, you don't have to put the whole. You put 1 cup in there if you want to.
A teaspoon and a half of extract. I hate when I use these things.
You want one with a long handle.
Yeah.
Long handle.
And I'm going to use a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay.
Here's the bread.
Okay. I have a cup of raisins. Well, I guess I do spread them with my hand. Better than a cup, so get them in here.
It's cold in our house, y'all. Our heater went out. We do have a couple of oil heaters that my sister and brother-in-law bought.
I have a cup of pecans.
But it's still cold in here. A central heater, rather.
Okay. All right, now. I'm going to be pouring my sauce over it. Just a little bit more there. Okay. Okay. So now it's ready to go in the oven. And I'm going to put it in the oven for about an hour and 20 minutes at 375 or 350. I'll start it at 350, 375, and I may cut it down a little bit. So thank you. I'll be back when it's completed. This is another version of my old-fashioned bread pudding. I'm sorry, old-fashioned bread pudding. And so I made it out of French bread. So I'm going to get a taste test on this one for you. Okay. But I also made a sauce. And the sauce that I made it with 1.5 cup of milk, and half a cup of sugar, and just a little bit, and 1 egg, and beat it up real good. And also I put it on and put a tablespoon of cornstarch in it and beat it up with 1 egg. So I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to show you. It's going to look. Now you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this myself. You decide you want it. I will put I have to put it on the page also. It's very hot, so. Very, very good. The old-fashioned bread pudding is already very good when it's in the winter months. And it's very tasty and everything. But I like a little sauce on mine. Everybody else likes to eat it like it is. And it's very good even when it's cold. I like to take it out of the refrigerator and just eat it like it is when it's very cold. It's very delicious.
Yeah, it's very delicious.
And I want you all to try it.
You know, I don't like
But now you can put in whatever you like for your sweetening, like I said. If you don't want sugar, you can use your Splendor or whatever if you're diabetic or whatever. You can't use much sugar. Do it according to what you can use for your bread pudding thing. With have the pecans and the raisins in it this time. So thank you so much, and I want you to enjoy this.
Yeah, that's good.
And all of my subscribers, check it out. Very, very good. Thank you so much for this is what you call a good winter meal. A good winter dessert. Thank you. Have a blessed day from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Watch for the next video and like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much. Goodbye.